Good afternoon, I am Federica D'Ambrosio and today we are going to review the account of one of our traders, Maliek. Maliek joined our funded trader program last September on the 1st and hit his first 10% target on the 5th of January. So first of all, congratulations Maliek on your first target achieved with us, and now let's have a look at the equity line to see how the journey with us has been for Maliek. So we can see that the start was not really good. In fact, since it started on September the 1st, it went one way down, actually, yeah. And we can see a level of drawdown of minus 9%. Then it started to recover a bit, still being below the initial account balance. We can see another minus 8% here in the beginning of November, a slight recovery. And again here in the beginning of December it was down 9% on his account. Then we see how something changed. In fact, in 1 month we can see he not only recovered the losses. In fact, by mid-December he was again he recovered and he was again on the initial account balance, but also he managed to reach his 10% target. So it was definitely a good month for him, a very good recovery and a profitable month for Maliek. Let's have a look also at the drawdown chart, so maybe we can have a better understanding. We see here the 3 peaks that we saw on his equity line as well. We see the first one here by the end of September, the second one in November, and this one is, yes, the beginning of December. And we can see how nicely his drawdown levels are now decreasing, which is very good and of course good to mention for him. So from the statistics we can see an average daily return of 0.07%, a monthly average return of 1.97%, almost 2%, with a floating drawdown of 9.34%. Okay, let's have a look at the advanced statistics. 809 position opened, 809 trades, with a profitability rate of 47%. Okay, slightly less than half of his trades were won. Let's have a look at the average win and loss as well. We see almost similar numbers here. We see an average win of 19 pips and an average loss of 18 pips. His best trade was in terms of dollar, on the 21st of December. He gained $577, very good. His worst trade was, I think, just a few days before that, was on the 15th. He lost $535. Pip-wise, his best trade was on the 7th of December. He gained 147 pips, while his worst trade in terms of pips, I believe it's the same one that in terms of money, because we can see the same date, December the 15th, he lost 109 pips. Okay, let's have a look at the summary to see on which pair he focused the most. Well, he traded a bit of the Forex market in general. Let's have a look at the majority here. We can see 139 position opened on the dollar CAD, although it was a negative one. In fact, he lost 834 pips on this one, losing $546. Let's also have a look at here. 55 position open on the pound dollar. He gained $389 on this one. 30 position opened on the pound Swiss franc. He gained 228 pips with a profit of $747. Very good. Also, what else here? We can see big numbers in the euro dollar. 60 trade on the euro dollar. He gained almost $500 here. 65 trades on the pound Aussie. He gained $500 here as well. We can see how good losses as well here, on the EuroCAD. We can see good numbers and bad numbers overall. Okay, let's have a look also at the history of his account. We are expecting a big history, in fact, yes, 41 pages. This is when he first joined our company. It was the 1st of September. In the beginning, he was keeping his lot size very low. You can see 0.05, 0.15. Let's see how in time the situation changed. And we still see 0.28, 0.15. So it didn't go full lot straight away, or at least not in each and every position. And this is here we go, on the 6th of January when he hit his target, and is of course now trading with us his $30,000 account. Let's have a look at the average trade length. 4 hours and 34 minutes. From the duration scatter plot, we can see how, yes, the majority of his positions were held for less than 4 hours. We see quite a good number of other positions, though, held for less than 12 hours, we can see. And just few others held for longer, no more than 18 hours. So we are in front of a day trader here. Okay, maybe many negative position held for longer, but this is something that, as we saw from his equity line, Maliek is already fixing. Okay, so Maliek, very well done, congratulations, and we look forward to do the second review for your account.